Central BCC to Adam Boy, Truck 1 on TAC 3, Emergency Services.
U1, go ahead.
U1, SWAT is needed for an undercover officer possibly taken hostage. Victor 1-2 requests you report to staging area 1092 Westfield Road.
U1, roger. We're en route. ETA, driving time. This one's a little sticky. Vice has been keeping an eye on Northside Vending and Amusements for the last 3 or 4 weeks. They've been building a case against an alleged bookmaking operation going on in the basement of the business. Undercover Detective Jeremy Walsh has been working closely with the suspects, and today received an invitation to enter the bookmaking area. All went smoothly until Walsh was out of sight. Walsh's wire reported that he was still talking to the suspects, who showed no evidence of suspecting him. Less than 10 minutes later, there was a sudden burst of static, and then Walsh's wire went dead. If everything was going as expected, Walsh would already be back, since he was supposed to go in, place one bet, and come right back out. With no way to determine Walsh's actual state, we're assuming he's in danger, and it's time to go in after him. We know at least 3 individuals are present. The first, Louis Bacchus, is the owner of the business. The other 2 are Alan Cruz and Simon Gowan. Cruz and Gowan are believed to be the movers behind the bookie operation, with Bacchus providing cover and space. Vice believes there are additional suspects inside, acting as bookies and runners. Numbers are unknown, but could go as high as 10 suspects total. That's one reason Walsh was sent in, to determine the exact number of players. Cruz and Gowan have extensive records, ranging from petty larceny to assault with a deadly weapon. Assume both are armed and dangerous. Bacchus is an unknown, but given his compatriots' histories, better to assume he is armed as well. Note that Walsh's last recorded statement was one of surprise at, quote, the size of your setup. Sounded like he was impressed, which can't mean anything too good for us. We have a layout, but we don't have anything on the basement. We know it's accessed through the storage areas, but we don't know anything about the bookie's territory. Keep your eyes open. There could be any number of surprises. Time to get Detective Walsh out and get the suspects under control. Choose your gear carefully and move out.
All units, this is Central BCC. Multiple SWAT units responding code 3 to 1092 Westfield Road. Officer in danger.
Gold. Regroup. Be ready to move.
With you.
Hands in the air! Get down!
Civilian contact, no
Police!
suspects.
Put your hands up!
Police, get those hands up! Civilian has complied.
Tie him down.
On it, sir. We're the police. Everything is under control.
Wait till my lawyer hears
Entry
about
team
this.
to talk.
You gotta-
Civilian ready to evacuate.
Roger. We'll come in when it's clear.
Fall in and stay close. I'll take point.
In position.
Quit whining!
Put your hands up and get down! Get down!
Suspect running.
Shoot them! There they are! Take cover!
Doc, this is Sierra 1. Element spotted. Doc, this is Sierra 1. Element has moved out of visual contact.
I got a suspect.
Drop the gun!
I'm going down!
Do it now!
I'm going down! Just watch
Suspect
it!
ready for arrest.
Tie him down.
Got it.
In here. Are they out there?
Suspect
Hands in the air!
inside.
Get down!
Shots are being fired.
Stay
got a
down.
weapon! Don't shoot!
Suspect
Neighboring
compliant.
laundromat.
Get down!
Doc to entry team. One of Walsh's contacts says the laundromat and shop are connected. You need to check it out ASAP.
Roger, on our way.
This mission Police! sideways.
Police! Drop your weapons! Drop your weapons! Get those hands up!
What the-
Police!
Ooh!
Put your hands up!
What the? How the hell did we get busted? What the hell?
Get in and clear.
Cops, get ready!
On it.
I don't believe this.
Suspect is restrained and
Get
is
down!
bearing
Hands
evidence.
in the air!
Suspect in sight.
Police! On your knees!
Stay quiet, you. Don't try
Entry
anything
team to
stupid.
talk. There's a down
No
suspect.
sudden
Clear that room.
moves. Copy. On it.
You got no reason to get us.
Strange
Where's
suspect.
my
Weapons
goddamn
secured.
lawyer?
Come on, boss.
We'll get to you in a minute.
I got my eye on you, punk.
Make him secure.
Got it.
Get out of here! Drop your weapon!
Suspect killed. What about the cuffs, sir?
Check that room.
Copy. On it.
Goddamn it, what the hell?
Bad guy secured.
What kind of pansy weapon
You're in
is
my
this?
way, sir. Weapon secure, sir.
Talk, this is entry team. We have a dead suspect.
Roger. Keep it up.
Talk, this is entry team. Suspect cuffed and secure for transport.
Copy.
Regroup.
Continue
Be
mission.
ready to move.
Understood. Following.
The cops are here!
Drop the
with you.
gun! Do it now!
What a setup.
Talk, this is entry team. Suspect is injured and in need of medical attention.
Copy. EMTs and trailers standing by.
Get down! Hands in the air!
Fine, I'm down.
Take him into custody.
Check. On it. We'll get you out of here. Looks
Talk, this
like
is
Police!
Talk.
Put your hands up!
Talk. Civilian
can't
secured,
mean-
ready for evac.
Get him!
Roger that. Trailers standing by.
Get down! Hands in the air!
I came with a friend.
Take
I
her into
didn't know
custody.
it was illegal.
Roger. Working on it. Stay calm.
Why don't you get lost?
Entry team to talk. Civilian ready to evacuate.
Roger. We'll come in when it's clear.
Fall in and stay close. I'll take point.
On my way.
With you, sir.
Use the mirror. Making it happen.
I got it.
Stay with me. I'm on point.
Got your back, boss.
Mirror under the door.
Check. On it.
I'm on it,
Bet you're not
boss.
in a week.
There's no one in sight. There's a trap, boss. Looks live.
Stack up. Try the lock.
Check. On it. Door's unlocked.
Cover that.
Affirmative.
Hold position.
Yes, sir.
Regroup. Be ready to move. Was wired to an alarm.
At your back.
Hey! Get down! My hands are up! Don't shoot! Clear that room. Got it.
I'm just doing my job here.
Look, you gotta let me go. My wife is gonna kill me.
Civilian secured. Ready for transport.
Roger that. Trailer standing by.
I got point. Get behind me.
Understood.
Mirror
Following.
it. Check under the door.
I got it. I got it. No suspects visible. Nothing to worry about.
Check behind the door.
Here we go.
Police, on your knees!
One suspect in sight. It's clean, boss.
Open, gas, and make entry.
Deploying CS. Suspect
fleeing.
Suspect
Here he
fleeing.
goes.
We have a runner.
Show me your hands!
Trailers.
Now! Get those hands up! In the air! Get down!
clear.
It's clear. Shit, I'm clear. Don't shoot.
Suspect has complied.
Take him into custody.
We gonna
All
lock
right,
them
sir.
down?
No sudden moves.
What the hell happened?
Suspect in custody.
Fall in and prepare to move.
With you.
Police, put your hands up! Hold on.
Fall in and stay close. I'll take point.
Entry team to TOC. TOC, this is entry
Guess
team.
we don't need to ask how
Suspect
they
down,
clean their
secured, and ready to evacuate. Entry team to TOC. We found Officer Walsh. He's alive, but in pretty bad shape.
Copy that. Good job. Notifying the EMTs.
We got serious
got a
trouble. Drop your
suspect.
weapon! Drop your weapon! Drop your weapon! Get those hands up!
damn guns.
Suspect
Secure
ready
him.
for arrest. I got it, boss.
Don't you guys
Doc,
got better
entry
things to
team.
do?
Objectives complete.
carrying evidence.
Mission complete. Put him on safe and let him hang.